If you want a side hustle and you don't have a car or a computer, you might think you're out of luck, but that's not the case. There are actually ways to make money in your spare time that require no special equipment other than your smartphone. Yes, so whether you're looking for an easy way to make money to earn a few bucks, or you want to launch a full-fledged business, these days, starting a new side hustle has never been easier thanks to the power of technology. In fact, all you need is a smartphone and the willingness to work, and you are ready to make money. That's because there are so many side hustles that you can start that let you make money right from the palm of your hand. Personally, I've been making money with phones ever since I can think of it since I was in college, and since then I have tested dozens of money-making apps and hustles to find the best one. Today in this video, I'm going to be sharing some ideas for starting a side hustle from the comfort of your phone. If you want to boost your side income, or you want to go during your spare time, these phone jobs and hustles are the perfect place to start. So let's get right into it. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you guys. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. You guys are highly appreciated. I see you all, and I just want to acknowledge you guys. Thank you. And if you're seeing me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I am your business mogul. I'm based here in California. I am your go-to plug. When it comes to making money online, this is your channel. This is the best channel for you. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, or you stay-at-home dad, or you're transitioning between jobs, or you just need money at all, maybe you want to augment your current income, this is the best plug. On this channel I share information on how to make money online, how to also get free money. Yes, on this channel, how people, you can get money from rich people. Rich people actually, donate money to people that are in need. Yes, check out my previous videos in case you missed out on them. They never expire. You can always check them out. And begin to apply to these amazing platforms that I've shared. So without further ado, let's just go get right into it. Hey, how to make these are ways. In fact, I told you money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. This is money lying down right in front of you everywhere, but you need to know just where to look. Let me be your magnifying glass as always. Let me pick out that money and share with you that, oh, that is one way to make money. That's an avenue to make money that is lying right next to your fingertips. So guys, come with me, let's go. Guys, do you know that you can take pictures with your phone and sell them for cash? Yes, so go to sell stock. Yeah, you can sell them as stock photos. And you know what? You don't need a college degree to be able to do this. You can just take pictures, random pictures, and sell them online. Yes, so you can, if you have, so if you enjoy taking photos on your phone, and you have a creative eye plus great editing skills, you may be able to sell those images for extra cash. After all, today's smartphones now have capabilities that rival professional cameras. So that even reminds me, I used to have a friend who takes pictures randomly and he sells these pictures online. You don't even need a professional camera. That's what I just said. If you have a phone. And one site that pays for user uploaded photos is FOAP.com. Yes, I told you I'm going to be sharing with you websites that you can sell these photos and then thank me later. So you can actually create an online portfolio of photos and videos that you've taken, and then a brand or agency or anyone else who wants to use one of them can purchase this. You can sell one photo for as high as $10, and then the proceeds will be split 50-50 between you and FOAP. Now there's an inspiration page where you can also see examples of great work. To earn more, you can join a FOAP mission photo contest, and then another website I'm going to be sharing with you guys is Dreams Time. Yes, Dreams Time is another website that allows you to upload photos, sell photos, and then upload your images as stock photos. Yeah, so you receive between 25 and 50% revenue share in each transaction. Exclusive files get a 10% bonus, and exclusive contributors also receive a 60% revenue share for all their sales, plus another bonus for each approved submission. Now pricing is based on size, age, exclusivity and number of downloads for particular files. For example, for extra non-exclusive file, you can sell for a lower amount, while an extra large exclusive file with a content level of 5 can sell for a higher amount. Yes, the second thing I would say, the second platform, the second idea I have for you is to do mindless tasks. Yes, do you ever find yourself mindlessly scrolling through websites, videos, and quizzes on your phone to kill time and relax? Guess what? You might want to start getting paid for it. Yes, because there are multiple companies that pay users to take surveys, watch videos, play games, and so much more. For example, Branded Surveys is a market research company that pays rewards points in exchange for opinions. You can start by answering a few simple questions about yourself, and then your profile is matched to a variety of surveys which are provided by market research clients on behalf of Fortune 500 companies. Now, once you reach 500 points, you can redeem them for gifts, gift card or cash through PayPal or Branded Pay. And most surveys actually pay substantial amount of money. Yeah, and there are also opportunities to earn more. The next website I will introduce to you guys is Survey Junkie. Yes, it's a well-known platform for paid surveys, and it also works similarly, matching your profile to surveys that you complete for rewards points, and then you redeem them for e-gift cards or cash via PayPal. The earnings opportunities are also similar to Branded Surveys, and other similar sites to consider include Swagbox, Cash Kick, and My Points. Yes, guess what? You can also play games for money. Yes, if you enjoy playing games, then one fun phone side hustle you can try to use is apps that pay you for playing games. There's actually a surprising number of legit cash games that pay you to download and play new games, and this is one way a lot of people have made money in the past by gaming during their lunch break or during their morning commutes. Some of these amazing game apps to win real money are Cash Giraffe. Yes, it's an Android gaming app of low cash out minimum. You can also test out new mobile games and earn money in cash or gift card. The next one is Cash Cow. The next app is Cash Cow. Have you heard about Cash Cow before? Now you know. So this Android app pays you with free gift cards and cash for trying new games. The next one is Mist Play, which is another Android app that lets you earn gift cards and PayPal money for gaming. For gaming. The next app is Rewarded. Yes, it's a popular Mist Play alternative that rewards you for downloading games on your phone and playing them. The next app is Just Play. It's one more Android game with PayPal and gift card prices. Another one is Buff, which is a fun way to play PC and mobile games for gift cards, PayPal cash, free stream games, and gaming merchandise. Another website is Kashi. Yes, it's an Android gaming cap with cash rewards. Now, what is the takeaway in this video? The takeaway is that you don't need a ton of special equipment or even a first degree to start a side business and earn extra money to put towards your savings, your investments, or even your daily spending. All you need is your phone and some free time. Like, design skills are, a plus. Just be sure that whatever side hustle you pursue, do your due diligence and ensure that any downloads or services are legitimate, as there are a lot of scams as well. Please do not give out your personal information, like your social security number or your bank card details or your bank account details. Please do your due diligence as well. These are tested and trusted websites, but you should also take that extra mile to do your due diligence and do not give out personal information, as I do not want any of you to get scammed. Yes, I hope this video has been a blessing to you. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Like this video, subscribe to my channel in case you have not. Join this family and also share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and of course I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. God bless you.